Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating the Ceenwes all-in-one grooming kit. So this item was gifted to me to do this unboxing and demonstration, so that's what I'm going to do. So first, let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right. Pull this off to the side here. Okay. Oh, it's got some charge on it. I just accidentally hit the button there. Low speed, high speed. Good. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so we have various attachments here. Nose trimmer. Little bitty trimmer here. This is a fine hair. This is a coarse hair trimmer. Okay. Here we have our charging brick here, grooming comb, an instruction manual, and let's get this bag open. Well, this is cool. We have a stand for it. Let me move this out of the way here. So we have a stand that can hold everything. Hold all the different things. So this goes here. You can put your different attachments, different blades. Here we have our charging cable that goes with this here. A little oil, a little brush, and 5 different thicknesses of grooming blades here. Alright, so to change out your different blades, you just grab hold of the top here and pull out, and pops that out like that. So let's go ahead and you put it in like that little groove right there. There's a little slot that fits into, and then snap that in. Oh yeah, that's that fast speed there. Ah! No, I'm just joking. Ah, that does good. Cool. Alright. Let's see here. It's got a digital readout here on the screen. Tells you what the battery percent is. I don't know if you can see that right there, 98%. Let's try this. Just clip it right in there, snap that in. This would be like the really fine areas you want to trim with. I like that high speed, boy. That's really good. Pop that off. Let's try this one out here. Okay, so here we go. This is a beard trimmer, and you have your different depths that you can put it at. It has 3 different depths. You can have it long, and you use it like a comb. That way you can do this and you don't have to worry about it. Okay, yeah. I just trimmed before I got this, so I don't have a lot to trim, but that's pretty cool. An easy way to trim your face, and it looks like it's going to do good. I'm going to give that a try. This little device right here really is the first one I've seen of this kind, and just in using it right here, it really felt good. And I usually trim about once a week, but with this I might trim a lot more frequently and keep everything down. So guys, I really like this little system, and looks like it's going to do me good. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have found it helpful, please consider hitting the little heart or thumbs up under the video to let me know it's helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.